Hi guys, it's Kenny here from smartforexeducation.com. Basically what I wanted to do today is just to talk about and give you some information regarding a very solid and transparent trading or FX brokerage firm. It's a firm that I've used for quite a while. I'm sure all you guys know I've been trading since 2004. Worked for a hedge fund in a city in London. Worked for a couple of smaller boutique firms in Europe, trading clients' money, also trading my own capital. So I have, let's just say, a wide understanding of financial firms, so regarding brokerage firms. And what I want to do today, very quickly, just take you through and give you a bit of a review regarding an FX firm called Markets.com. Now, if you haven't heard of them before, then I'm going to let you know and give you some more information. If you have, then I'm sure there's areas that you'd want to be aware of before you even decide to open an account with this company. Now, first things first is whenever you make a decision regarding which brokerage firm you're going to use, because let's be honest, there's hundreds of firms that you can choose from. So what are the criteria? What are the certain things that you need to be aware of that are going to make you feel confident, that are going to make you feel comfortable in transferring your hard-earned capital, okay, putting it into a trading account, and knowing that you can sleep at night, okay, knowing that you can sleep at night. So first and foremost, this is a firm called Markets.com, and they are, first and foremost, they are a licensed and regulated company. So as you can see here, licensed and regulated. So they're regulated by one of the major regulatory authorities, such as the FSA in the UK, CONSOB, CNMV, AFM, BaFin, to name a few. Now, what's very, very important here is that being licensed and being registered means that they're under a strict guidelines regarding compliance. And that's important if you're going to have your capital with a firm such as that. Also, what's very, very interesting about this company is that they've been growing amazingly fast. Their growth has been exponential. They've been accredited and they won awards in 2010, a couple of years ago, the fastest growing broker award in the Middle East. And I'm sure wherever you are right now, you're seeing some huge growth regarding the exposure. I'm sure you've probably, if you do watch Bloomberg.com, when they have their adverts, their commercials, I'm sure you've probably seen of Markets.com. So it just shows they're, let's just say, they're one of the leaders in the marketplace, and they're reputable and world renowned as well. And what's interesting, they're spread over more than 100 countries, and also 15 languages. So you can see here, whichever language you speak, there's an opportunity, okay, of going through it. So what's important is it brings about comfortability, and that's so valuable, especially when you want to deal with a company. Now, softwares. If you go to the trading softwares, let's just get this up, trading platforms. There's an array of different platforms that markets have available. And if we take a look at MetaTrader, MetaTrader 4, if you don't know how to trade, you've never traded before, then MetaTrader 4 is one of the most, let's just say, used and by a large proportion of professional traders. Generally about 70 to 75% of professional traders that trade on a regular basis, use MT4. So they have a platform with MT4, and the great thing about MT4 is that you can enter trades with one click if you want. It offers great features. If we scroll down here, it offers great features with the technical side of trading. So if you want to look at certain indicators, there's hundreds of indicators. You can set up your own custom indicator. So if you've always had, let's say, an aim and an ambition to want to devise or tailor your strategy into an automated system, for example, then there's a possibility via the expert advisor function, if you wish. If you know about coding, if you don't, then I'm sure you can outsource it and get a good programmer to help you with this. So the speed analysis is very, very good. So that's crucial with the the MetaTrader 4. Let's go to the Market iTrader. Okay, so you can clearly see here. Okay, so on top of the MT4 system, they also provide some more platforms. And let's just take a very quick look at the Market WAP Trader. Now, basically how the WAP Trader works, as you can clearly see, it's a mobile device. So due to the massive growth and with social media, and I don't know about you, but myself, I'm always on a run. I'm always busy with different businesses, and sometimes when I'm trading, I have some positions long term, and I'm moving from office to office or looking at training, teaching people, and I'm having positions long term, and unfortunately I don't have the opportunity to be sat in front of my screen 10-15 hours a day, so I'm always on the move. So by having an application, a mobile application via the WAP Trader, it means that I can be able to take a look at my positions, you know, when I'm on the train. But basically what happens here is that it gives you the opportunity to take a look at your positions when you're on the move. Okay, so there's a good flexibility, and then there's a breakdown of the different order types that's available and the account information. And on top of that, with the mobile applications, there's another called the Market iTrader. What this does is, with the iTrader, if you have an iPhone, it directly connects to your iPhone, okay, which is pretty savvy, okay. So it's like an app, but with the iPhone, it's straight, it's transparent, real-time information. You can take a look at positions, you can enter trades, as you can clearly see here, you can close trades. So the features are endless, okay, and it provides you with opportunities. Okay, so that's the other platform, and then you have the Auto Trader. Okay, so the Auto Trader here allows review very popular successful strategies and automatically copy them. So what happens if there's a strategy that you put together, or a strategy that another trader for markets, or someone connected with markets or affiliated put together, you can have the opportunity to actually copy the trade. So they provide a breakdown of chart analysis, the live signals that you can receive that's generated. You have the filters, you have performance, you have the portfolio, you have risk management, and then it goes into a watch list. So if you were trading 4 or 5 different pairs, so you have a watch list, or of different strategies, for example. So it's good for diversification. If you wanted to have a short-term trades, like a scalp on a 5-minute chart as a strategy, for example, in the euro dollar, you can have that running. Then you can have maybe holding positions for a day on the dollar versus the Japanese yen. It just provides flexibility to trading. Now, covering that side of things,